Hi guys, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. I'm back with another products review. I am reviewing two of my favorite hair products, the Batiste Hair Dry Shampoo and the Live-On Hair Serum. These two are the only products that go into my hair. Dry shampoo is something that I survive on because I'm not somebody who washes my hair very often. So if I quickly need to get somewhere or if it's like a last minute outing that I need to go for, dry shampoo is my best friend. I'm going to use it here and show you how and what you can do with this. So this gives my hair an instant lift, completely changing the texture. I've had a slightly oily scalp today and that's why I'm adding dry shampoo because I'm not in the mood to wash it. You obviously can't replace this for shampoo and it's just something that you need to do last minute. It's also a great size and something that you can keep in your bag to take on the go. You just need to spray from a distance into your hair and kind of move it out with your hands or brush it out. So don't panic if the white powder that comes out, it's not going to stain your hair if you brush it out. And now I'm going to use this Live-On Hair Serum. This is ideally something that you would use on like wet hair after a shower, on damp hair rather. But you can also use it if you have like dry ends like me, and that's something exactly I'm going to show you right now. I'm just putting some on the ends. Mainly just for the dry ends, and just if you want to kind of make the little baby hair sit. My hair is already feeling and looking different just by lifting my hair with these two products. These two products are my go-to on a bad hair day and I highly recommend that you should get them. They're decently priced and available online and I highly recommend you to have them. I usually call these two products my portable mini salon. So I hope this video was helpful. Do follow me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha and leave in your comments below and let me know if there's any particular product that you want me to review. Thank you for watching. Maliha loves.